Okay, what's inside 9-volt batteries? Okay. Oh, looks like it's just a label. Okay, so inside, so you can easily change the markings on it. That's pretty nice. Came from the terminal. Oh, that thing jumped. Battery terminal flew away. So, okay, let's see here. A lot of stuff here. I don't know if this is paper or oh, there is a battery terminal. It looks like some kind of paper material soaked in chemicals. Okay, I wouldn't really do this, but I thought battery was finished here and I thought why not try to see. There should be a few small batteries. Yay! Ah, look at them. So this was insulation material here. That was the insulation. And in 9 volts you have many AAA or AA, four times A, quadruple A batteries. Let's see. Oh. They even have the plus and minus indicators on them. Ooh, it's interesting. This is the 9-volt battery contents. It's interesting. They have markings on them, but they're really shiny, and they're all in series. So each one of these batteries, actually they're pretty heavy. So if you ever need the small batteries like this, don't know if it fits as in yeah, I just turned off the lights. Okay, so 9-volt battery can work as a AAA battery if you really need to. I will turn off the lights now. Perfect. This thing. So that's it. Side detector, the 9-volt battery, and it started beeping, so I had to change it. And it was supposedly depleted, but doesn't look like it's depleted to me. What's inside this battery? It's gonna be an alkaline battery. Okay, I will not open it further. This is all. Inside the 9-volt battery, there is many small 4A batteries. They are a little bit smaller than AAA, but they can be used as AAA batteries if needed. Pretty interesting.